Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crush Repair Center. Again, we have a very beautiful project at the moment. It's a Nissan Skyline GT-R R34. You can see now that side is being painted, finished, and now we're prepping the other side to get it midnight purple to be done. So we're prepping it, we're masking it up, so that's gonna be ready to be painted.
Allowed to do. You take that one. Yeah?
So here it is now, the car is ready. Got this side, got the door, got the wing, and now, as you know, the bayside blue is being done already, and now we have to apply the midnight purple on the whole side, half of the rear panel as well. So yeah, we're waiting for that moment. Okay, so now we can say the job has been completed. As you can see, the midnight purple, the effect, the shades, it gives so many shades, different effects. And this is the rear panel, two colors. That's the bit here. This is the roof. Of course, the car is still in the oven. This has been done the other day by itself. That's how it looks right on the middle, the fade. Absolutely beautiful. That color is unbeatable, honestly guys, unbeatable color. Wow. And this is the wing, as you know, on the and as you've seen on the previous videos, that was a lot of ripples on it, so that's been blocked, primer blocked again. You can see proper straight. As you know, this is fiberglass, and this is the door from inside, that's from outside. The clear coat is a glazurate clear coat, proper nice finish, so happy, so glossy. So this is the finish, the quality finishing. Now the car is being masked, everything being prepped, we panel wiped it, and now it's ready to get it painted. Of course, we have to do wet and wet primer, or wet and wet epoxy primer, wet and wet primer, and then get it painted. So of course, exactly the same the outside of the car. This is the boot as well. It has to be done with the hinges. Those hinges has to be that side going to be blue. We have to fade it on the middle with the midnight purple 3. So we're having a fun here, guys, we're having a fun. This is the back of the panel. Yeah, is what is, but that has to be done. Okay, so this is the wet and wet primer. It's been done already, and now it's ready to apply the blue, and then after the blue is a midnight purple, and this is the boot as well. Same, has to be, the undercoat has to be dark gray. Wet and wet primer. Okay, the job has been completed now. Can see this is that side, this side, absolutely extra glossy, looks absolutely fantastic. Right on the middle, that's the engine bay. This is the boot flow. All being covered properly. No white color anymore. So this is the result, guys. It's from outside. Now the car nearly finished. We need to put it back together. So basically, even the lock holder, we paint it in two colors: midnight purple 3, bayside blue. How crazy. So basically now we're jacking the car up to have a look underneath what's going on, because we need to fit the rear diffuser. So yeah. So this is the front bumper diffuser. As you can see, it's covered the whole engine underneath. Really pleased with that. And as you can see, the design of it, it's absolutely insane. Very good quality. Of course, this is a carbon fiber, in matte carbon fiber, so it's not glossy. So beautiful. So now we need to put it on the bumper, put the bumper on the car, and the car has to go to get it what you call it, PPF, and then come back to me, get it stripped again, take it to the guy for the mechanic, which is he's known very well in UK, Cirque. He does all these Skylines, modified engines, everything else. So this is the engine bay. It's been put it back together, all the wiring, ABS pump and fuse box, headlamps, condenser. Yeah, so we're cracking on the car. Inside, the interior being fitted already as well. Those genuine V-spec. Those being replaced to carbon fiber. It's very combination with the Z-Tune wings. Okay guys, so now the trailer coming to pick up the car. We're gonna do PPF, fully PPF on the car. They're gonna come back to me, get it stripped again, and then make it ready to put the engine on it. And then once the engine, of course, cross piping, engine, everything, once is everything on the car, it's gonna come back to me, putting it back together, and then give it to the client. So that's how it looks at the moment. But of course the car is not being finished yet. It will come back to us. But the color together is very combination. Very nice, lovely. The results absolutely insane. Even if we open the doors, it's a bit dusty, but it's so beautiful. Nice finishing.